We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock. Hi friends, welcome to our channel Crack You RRB SSC and Banking Exam. In today's video, we are going to discuss important questions of SSC CPO exam. To get this important update, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the daily updates. So, today's first question is, which of the following books and its respective author pair given is wrong? Option number A, Beyond Religion, Ethics for a Whole World. Yeah, it's written by the 14th Dalai Lama and it's correct. Option number B, A Better India, A Better World. Yes, it's written by N.K. Narayana Murthy and it's correct. The Hanging of Afzal Guru. It's written by Arundhati Roy and it's correct too. So the last option, that is Getting India Back on Track. It's written by Bibek Debroy, not Raghuram Rajan. So this is the wrong pair, hence the correct answer. So next question. Who is the author of the famous book Eternal India? The author of the book is our former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Next question. Peoply Life is a film directed by. Okay, we all know the famous song Sakhi Saiya to Khoobe Kamate Mehengai Dayan Khaye Jate. That's from the movie Peoply Life, which is directed by Anusha Rizwa. Next question. Who has written the biography of the Congress leader Sonia Gandhi? Sonia Gandhi, An Extraordinary Life and Indian Destiny. So this is written by Rani Singh, option A. Next question. Which feature film was screened in the UN in November 2006? So, Mamu, this movie is Lage Raho Munna Bhai, a Biddu Vinod Chopra film. We all know Munna and Sarkar ka pair. So, next question. Ben-Hur, the world famous epic, is written by, so this is written by Lew Wallace. Lew Wallace, and this is a tale of the Christ. So option number C is correct. Next question. Dans le Harem de Gaddafi is a book written by, this is written by Enik Kozin. This book is actually a story of a young woman and abuses of power in Libya. So option B is the correct answer. Next question. Name the director of the film Guide. Okay, the director of the film Guide is Bijay Anand. So option D is correct. This film is based on the novel of R.K. Narayan, The Guide. The cast of this movie is Devanand and Wahida Rahman. Next question. Name the author of My Presidential Year. So the author of My Presidential Year is Ramaswamy Venkataraman, that is R. Venkataraman. Option B is the correct answer. We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock. Next question is, the book Resurgent India is a book authored by which former governor of Reserve Bank of India? Okay, this book is authored by Bimal Jalan. And now let me tell you, the present RBI governor is Saktikanta Das, but the book is written by Bimal Jalan. Next question. Yeah, Reset, Regaining India's Economy Legacy is a book written by He is Subramaniam Swamy. Option E is the correct answer. Next question. Who is the author of Food, Nutrition and Poverty in India? So the author of this book is V.K.R. Varadaraja Rao. In short, it's V.K.R.V. Rao. So option A is the correct answer. Next question. A film that has not been directed by Meera Nair is, like, which of the film is not directed by Meera Nair? Okay, let's see option A. Option A is directed by Deepa Mehta. It is a 1999 based an Indian period love story. So obviously option A is the correct answer. It's not written by Meera Nair, whereas all the other are the film directed by Meera Nair. Let's move to the next question. Yeah. Okay, this is match the following. We need to match the books in list 1 to the authors in list 2. So here's a trick. You can select a book which is the most famous and you know the author, and you see if you find that the only option, then all the answers are done. Maybe you know all the authors and all the books, maybe you don't, maybe you know 1 or 2. So we will go in this way. Let's see. Out of this 4, the one I know for the sure is The Argumentative Indian, which is written by Amartya Sen. So let's see. Option C, list 1, C matches to list 2, 1. Where is C1? Okay, the C1 is only in option A. So for the sure, I know the answer is option A. Now let's see the books and authors for other. In Custody, it's written by Anita Desai. That is C. It's correct here. Sea of Poppies, it's written by Amitav Ghosh. So it's 4. That's correct. C, as I told you, it's Amartya Sen. So even this is correct, this matches. And D is Jhumpa Lahari, and even this matches with the option A, that is D2. Hence our answer is option A. So let's move to the next question. Okay. The Apu trilogy was directed by, the director of this is Satyajit Ray. Satyajit Ray is the first Indian to win Oscar for the movie Pathar Panchali. He is considered to be one of the greatest filmmaker of 20th century. So option C is the correct answer. Next question. Who has authored the book The Remembered Village? The author of the book Remembered Village is M.N. Srinivas. Next question. Okay. 3 books, namely Kumbh, Garam Pahad and Dilli Ki Bulbul, that is Sindhi edition, which are a collection of stories for children, were launched by Union HRD Minister. The books are authored by, like, these are the 3 books authored by one single person, which is launched by our Union HRD Minister. Who is the author of this book? So recently our Union HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal launched these 3 books written by Dr. Anita Bhatnagar Jain, who is an IAS officer who is currently working in Secretariat. So option E is the correct answer. Next question. 83 is a biopic on which famous personality? Okay, what does 83 denotes? Let me say you. In 1983, India won its first Cricket World Cup, and the captain of the team was Kapil Dev, and even he was the all-rounder in the team. Obviously, the contribution of all were noted, but the captain was Kapil Dev and even the all-rounder. So the 83 is a biopic for the famous personality Kapil Dev. Next question. The book Onto This Last, which influenced Gandhiji, was authored by. Who was the author? In short, that is, who was the author of the book Unto This Last? Okay, the correct answer is John Ruskin. Not Ruskin Bond, but John Ruskin. We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock.